The electrician has arrived. Apparently, a lot of these have all been disconnected. I suppose that's what they are. There's no cables going into them. So although the board looked full, we're just going to wire one of these things up into about here, and then run this length of cable, attach that length of cable to the machine. I don't know anything about any of this sort of stuff. That's the plan. Put a plug on it, put that length of cable with a plug, and I can just plug it in down here. That's my wee machine all wired up. The electrician's just left. I'll show you how it works. That's it. Let's turn it off. I'm very pleased. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to put it yet. I think maybe here, or I'll move all this stuff down and I'll put it here. I haven't quite decided, but I've got plenty of cable on it. I can put it wherever I want. This machine, I was speaking to the electrician while he was here. This machine was supposed to be single phase. That's what I ordered, but apparently it's 3-phase. So unfortunately, while the electrician was here, I didn't have a spare plug. I do have some plugs. I had been, like this one, you would think I could have used, but this one apparently has 4 pins, and the plug socket that's on the wall, that is a 5-pin one. So I need to order, the man wrote it down for me, I'll tell you what I need to order. I need to order a 3-phase plus neutral plus earth 5-pin 16 amp. That's what I need to order, but I'll be able to get one of them from Screwfix or something, and it should be pretty straightforward. I should be able to wire it up myself. I wonder if it will have more power because it's 3-phase. I'm not sure, but he was telling me that, I don't know if you can see here, 380 volts. I don't know much about it. But anyway, I'm going to put some things back, like my, what do you call them? Press. I'm going to put them back, try and get the place organised a little bit. I've been here the day cleaning these. I've got quite a bit of alley ready to go now. I'll probably sell that soon. But aye, that's what I've been doing today. I've been trying to just tidy stuff up and get it organised so that I can figure out where I'm going to put the machine. And then I've got a little bit of copper that I need to clean. So I've had a little shot of the machine. This is roughly how I'm going to have it set up, I think. This is my new tube. This has really been bits of junk that I've been thrown in here. Ideally I want to separate my 98 and my brass, but I'm not sure how to do it yet. I've been watching Non-Ferrous Jeff. He's got one of these, his one's got little googly eyes on it. So I need to figure out how to get it to fall into the correct bucket. Yeah, that's what I need to... I feel like it's fine if you're concentrating on YouTube, which is what I've been doing, because that's the piece that I hold, and then I cut these pieces off But I'm then going to have to go back through all of these pieces and pick out the 98, or separate either the brass or the 98. Anyway, I'll show you me using it for a little minute. I'll put you up on my thingy, tripod. It is actually a little bit scary using this. It definitely takes a bit of getting used to. I'm operating it by using a foot pedal. But once, if you touch the pedal, it goes. It's not like you hold the pedal down and it goes. So if you have something in here and you accidentally touch the pedal, or you accidentally touch the pedal and then you put something in here, there's no stopping it. It just goes. It's not like you can lift your foot off it and it stops it. If that makes sense. Anyway. You've got to be so mindful of where both hands are. I mean, that would be a terrible way to lose some fingers. So I believe that you can also set it to automatic. That for me feels like it would be even more dangerous. Yeah, so I definitely need more practice, and I'm sure in time I'll start to get more comfortable with it and get the hang of it. But at the moment, I'm very pleased with it, but it feels very dangerous. Anyway, I need to go because I've got a few jobs that I need to go and collect, and then I'm going home. Got a boiler to collect. Not sure where it is. Plumber sent me to the wrong address. It's a junk one anyway, an old Alpha. Got another boiler, it's a good one. One last boiler on the way home. I put my torch on. An alley one. That's me home now. I've sorted out my boxes. I'll drop these boilers off at my workshop tomorrow. And this is the scrap that I picked up today. It wasn't that much. I didn't have a very busy day, which suited me because it allowed me to spend more time at my workshop trying to get it ready for the electrician coming. So, anyway, I'm going to go in now. Have a nice night, boys.